Cough got you down? Over-the-counter remedies are your first line of defense. Suppressants like dextromethorphan, they're your secret weapon against those dry, non-productive coughs. They work by decreasing the cough reflex. But what if you've got that thick, sticky mucus? That's where expectorants like guaifenesin come in. They thin out that mucus, making it easier to cough up and clear your airways. Make sure to choose the right medication based off your symptoms. And if you're still unsure or your cough persists, always consult a healthcare professional. Want to dive deeper? Click on the linked video for more information.